Hi friends, I am Tyagaraaj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see how to renew Tally software services. Before getting into this session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Now let's see session details. Key benefits of Tally software services. Next, how to renew Tally software services. Next, online Tally software services renewal procedure. Update license. Tally software services is a subscription for that particular year. In this subscription period, we are eligible for upgrade latest product updates as well as statutory updates and other services. Let's see key benefits of Tally software services. If subscription is valid, we are eligible to generate e-invoicing from Tally application itself. We can able to access business report through web browser. Next, we are eligible to update latest product updates. Next, banking and payment services like auto bank reconciliation and latest check printing format. Next, data synchronization and remote access features we can able to use it. Now let's see how to renew Tally software services. There are two options. First one, you can reach out nearest authorized Tally channel partner. If you want to find the partner in your area, open Tally Solution site. Under partners, click on locate partner. In this search option, you need to enter postal pin code. It will list out nearest Tally authorized partner details. You can directly reach them through the contact number. They will do the needful to you. Second one, directly from Tally Solution site. Now we are going to see Tally software subscription renewal through online. Let's see practically in Tally Prime application. Once open Tally Prime application, the right hand side top of the corner, click on help option. In this list of option, click on about. In this screen, you can able to see license status and Tally software subscription is expired date on 30th June 2021. Current Tally software subscription renewal price in India. For silver or single user, 3600 plus 18% tax. Similarly, for gold or multi-user, 10,800 plus 18% tax. If you want to renew, click on that expire date. Click on yes to continue to open Tally Solutions portal. We are going to renew Tally software subscription for single user. In this license details, by default, Tally registered information will be captured. If you are not updated any information, you have to update manually. Tally license details, and right hand side you can see that preferred partner by default selected from whom you are purchase product or you are receiving services. In case if you want to change that preferred partner, you can go for below listed option. One is change my preferred partner or I don't want preferred partner. Next, you can able to change that billing details. Here I am going to change that registered mobile number. If you don't have a GST number, you need to click on checkbox. Or if you want to update a GST number and enter your GST number for avail input tax credit. Next, enter PIN code. Next, right hand side you need to select the mode of payment, whether you are going for debit card, credit card, net banking or EMI. We are going to select debit or credit card. I agree, you need to click on it. Next, if you want to receive invoice copy in WhatsApp, click on I agree and proceed to payment. Next, in the payment gateway, we need to choose that payment option. We are going for credit card option. After updating card information, click on proceed. Next, we will receive OTP for bank transaction confirmation. Enter OTP and submit. Next, we will receive invoice copy. We can print it or we can download the soft copy. One more invoice copy will be sent to registered mail ID, or if you have chosen WhatsApp option, then you will receive invoice copy in WhatsApp also. Internet is connected, the Tally software subscription expiry date will be extended automatically, or once update license, it will be extended. Right hand side top of the corner, click on F1 option. There is an option called setting. Click on setting. In that, click on license option. There is an option called manage license. Next screen you can able to see right hand side button bar. There is an option called update. Enter here Tally net ID and password. Net ID nothing but a Tally registered mail ID, and password you need to enter. In case if you forget the password, right hand side there is an option called reset password. Click On enter, you can see that right hand side bottom of the corner there is a pop-up message, license updated successfully. Now let's see Tally software subscription validity date. Here it is extended, valid up to 31st July 2022. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.